What's up, guys? So this is an electric bike by Jetson. It's refurbished, and as you can see, this box is really messed up. But I'm gonna open it up and let's see what it looks like. So here's what came in the box. We have a bicycle seat, a tail light, and a reflector, and two fenders, and pedals, and then the charger. And in the bike here, let's see how you get this to fold up. Okay, so it's really easy to make it fold up. You just pull it up and then push this in, and now it's locked upright. So let's put the seat on. Perfect. And now let's screw the pedals on. Here we go, I got one of the pedals on. So on this bike, you put on the right pedal on the right side and turn it clockwise. And then the left pedal on the left side, you put it on counterclockwise. It's reverse threaded. Now let's put on the rear bumper. Nice. Now let's put on the front bumper. Well, I've looked all around and I can't find the bolt that you need to put on the front bumper, so I'll just have to wait on putting that on for now. Now let's put on the back flashing light. And now the back reflector. Now I'm ready to ride it after it's charged. I'll do that now. Now that the battery's all charged up, now I'm going to ride it. Don't forget to wear a helmet. Whoa! Hey, this is really nice. This has got a lot of power. This is so much fun to ride. I will definitely be making many more videos about it in the future, so tune in for that. And also check out my dad's channel, because he's going to be making different videos about the same bike. Bye.